back to Alecia at Home. Today I am coming with a summer living room decor update, and I wanted to bring you guys along with me. As you can see, I have a pretty clean slate here. I went ahead and took out all of my old decor, and what I'm going to do now is just go ahead and wipe down everything and get everything fresh and clean. And then I'm gonna go ahead and enter in with the new summer decor. I really hope you guys enjoy this type of video. If you do, don't forget to leave me a comment down below and let me know what was your favorite added decor item. Also, you guys, if you're interested in any of the items that I do use in this video, I will be sure to link as much as I can in the description box below or in the comments. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're new here, thank you so much, you guys, for tuning in. I really hope you enjoy what you see. If you do, go ahead and join the family. Go ahead and hit subscribe. It really helps out my channel to continue to grow, and I appreciate the love and support as well.
Your eyes tell me that you don't want to leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't want to spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. Nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love, all of your love. I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Hey, can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. Nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, babe. So come give me love, all of your love. Won't you love me till the morning, love me in the evening, you know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours, show me that I'm yours, you know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time, like our time was right now, show me what it's about. Love me till the morning, love me in the evening, you know what I want, all of your love.
is trouble in your mind.
I wanted to take the time to introduce myself. My name is Alecia and I am a stay-at-home mother of 4. I have a 18-year-old son, a 5-month-old son, and 2 daughters ages 4 and 3. On my channel, I love to decorate, cook, clean, homeschool, and just any type of lifestyle, mom, wife life content. So you guys, if you like that type of content, definitely stick around. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified for all of the content that I do post. Select all. Go ahead and leave me a like and a comment down below. Let me know your favorite part of this video. Also, let me know if you think I should change anything around, or if you think I should move something in a different space. Maybe do you think I should take something away? Let me know. I'm definitely open for any of your advice. Thanks so much.
You turn me on, groove is your true nature, and it never gets hard enough for you. You've been enchanting this heart of mine for the longest time. Slow dancer, you stun me up with all your romancing, and it's making me weak like no one else, like there's no one else in the world. I'm under your spell. This is our time. The dance floor is jumping.
So you guys, I wanted to go ahead and add in my favorite piece into this look, and that is my blues vase. I've always had this vase ever since I changed my decor to the blue velvet, and this is one I will keep. So you guys, this is definitely a piece that I will keep with me, and I'll definitely pass it down to one of my daughters, and I'll get some more items as well. My mother brought me some pieces back from Israel when my mother and father went to Israel. So I want to show you those items as well. I'm going to add them in on here as well. So let me show you. So as you can see, she brought me these cute little bread and butter, and I wouldn't say really butter, but definitely bread and oil, olive oil bowls. So you can put your olive oil and crushed garlic and rosemary and a little mixture in there with some fresh baked bread. She bought me this one as well. And then here is the one that will hold the bread. And I just love it. I'm probably never going to actually use these items, but they're so beautiful. I just definitely want to put them on display and let them be seen. They're too pretty to just put away and hide. So I'm gonna add them on here as well. I'm not sure what I will do, or I may add them somewhere else, but if I do add them in, I'll definitely let you all know. Again, if you like this video, you guys, don't forget to let me know in the comments what you like. Again, this is not everyone's cup of tea, but it's definitely for me. So let's just keep that in mind. It's definitely relaxing. It has the summer vibe with the plants and the palms, the different palms and plants on my pillows. I absolutely love that. And then it still has the grays and the golds, because I did want to do some mixed tones. As you can see, I wanted to do the mixed golds and silver and still have that glam. So let me give you an updated look at that as well. So here's what we came up with for the mixed metals. I absolutely love these vases that I picked up from Amazon, and I will leave those linked in the description box below. And I also love this small Ottoman. It's like the quilted tie. I just love it. It's so simple and cute. And then I have the faux pampas. I prefer the faux pampas because it still gives that glam that I'm looking for without all of the shedding and without all of the mess. So you guys, I prefer the faux pampas because I have the toddlers and my baby, and you know, real pampas gets everywhere. It sheds, and I just don't have time for any of that, but I still wanted the look. So I'm super excited about having the faux pampas. It's almost like a silk type of material. You guys, it was so worth the money. I got 8 long stems, and I want to say it was like 30 bucks. I will link it in the description box below. As you know, I already had my glam mirror here. If you are a oldie but goodie, then you know that I already had that mirror, and so that just brought in the glam. I also already had the bookcase and my sofa. Those were the staple pieces that I already had, and I don't plan to change them anytime soon, but if I do, I will definitely keep you updated, you guys. So you guys, if you did like this type of video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and leave me a like and hit the little bell so that you can be notified next time I do post. I am definitely attempting to post more and more. So if you like this video, again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay safe, stay blessed.